Hello guys, good day and welcome to this video. I'm Joshua Oladide. In this video, I'll be putting you through on how to install Motion Bro plugin to After Effects. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to right click on this file, AE script file, run as administrator, then click on yes. Click on agree, tick on this button. Yeah, agree. Then click on install. This is the ZXP file software we are going to be using to install plugin Motion Bro. So what you need to do is to close this first. Close it. Close everything. Close it. You might need to close it. Then go to the folder Motion Bro. Then from Motion Bro, you go to 3D pan and transition. Then go to extension. And you have Motion Bro here. If this doesn't change to this icon, let me zoom in a bit to ZXP file. If it doesn't change to something like this here, meaning that there are chances it's not going to something like this here, not going to work. Okay. So what you need to do is to click on it. They're going to take you to that software. AE script. You might need to close After Effects. Click on install. Then click on yes. It won't take much time to install. Motion Bro was successfully installed using direct installation. Click on close. So we have to upload the list file in After Effects. So click on this, close it. Then let's open After Effects. New, new project, new composition, Motion Bro. Click on OK. Then come to this place. What you need to do first is to go to Edit, Preference, Script. This place, Script and Expressions. Then make sure that allow script to write files and access network is marked. Enable JavaScript debugger. One user when executing file. Make sure this is marked. Make sure these three things are marked. Then click on OK. Then go to Windows extension. Then we have Motion Blue. Immediately it's going to pop in, but sometimes it might not display like this on your own screen. So you go to panel, then make sure you clicked on stacked panel group so that it can be able to move from one place to another. I can move it to this place. I can add it here. I can just play around with it depending on your system view and how you want it to be. So these are everything already here for me. Already. These are everything. But sometimes you might need to, if you don't have everything installed, just as I do here, you go to download here, then Motion Brew folder, that folder where you downloaded it. The first one, go to Motion Brew, create file, check for list file, Motion Brew, zoom transition, preset, then click on this list. This second one here, this list. Okay. So I need to go back and back. Then go to the next folder, check for preset. If you have preset, go back. The next folder, check on preset. You add list, then click on OK. You get. Then click on it again. That download. This download button here. This one. So click on it. Going to look for inside that motion bro folder. Everything is there. Everything you need is there. Preset, then list folder. Click on it again. So we'll be having everything on our page, on our folder here. So what you need to do is just keep doing that till you are done. We are almost done. Speed and the transition. Go to preset, speed. Then click on it. Then everything will be showing here. Text. But the most important one out of all of them, right, is the last one, the Toco Graphics 3.0. That's the major one. Then click on number one. Look at it. Visit. Click on it. List. Boom. Then we have it. Then go to this place. You can actually see the preset. You can see everything. Yeah. So this is the sound. We have the logo reveal. You can enjoy it. You can just click by applying. This is going to load. The missing font there is Roboto Black. You can actually play around with it. Font should not be a problem for us. But you might need to create your own Control Y BG. You might need to create your own background. Place this down because I think it's showing something here. So you can actually add view. This is not a tutorial, please. We're going to remove the ID of view. Okay, let's make this white. Sometimes white looks better. Can you see that? What happened? You go to this folder. You replace what you need to replace. Your logo. Put your logo here, and boom, you are done. Let's go back to Motion Bro. Let me create another new page. Motion Bro 2. Alright. So we have callouts, we have titles. You can also reduce the time frame for the animation with this duration here. You can reduce it, you can increase it, depending on what you want. These are transition, these are background. There's also another one I like so much, which is the gradient. That's the gradient. You just click on apply. Then you have this. We have a lot of lower third actually. We have a lot of lower third. Call out, transition. We have this one. Text message, infographics. That's the sweetest part of this animation. Like graph animation, right? But see what we have. See what we have here. Okay. These other ones are here. All are free. So immediately you just make sure you download the complete file. And if you have any challenge, you can always reach out to me to help you out. Thank you so much. I'm Josh. Bye.